Hi, families. I'm going to teach you how to get onto K12 and how to get to the work that I want you to do. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving and is ready to get back into it. So sign into Launchpad. Let me go back. When you sign into Launchpad, if most of us should know how to do this, but it's launchpad.classlink.com/Rockhill. When you sign into Launchpad, go to your child's backpack. In their backpack should be K12. I just put this in their backpack, so it should be up at the top. But if it's not, go to the plus, and that will show you all your apps. Going down to the left and where you see apps, it will show you all of your apps if you're looking for something. So you click on K12 and you put in your password that I sent you in this email. I sent it to you months ago, but I sent it again in this email in case you lost it or you didn't log into K12 when I asked you to the first time. Okay, I am on a student's account so that I could show you what it's going to look like when you get there. There's a lot of stuff. And I didn't make anything do because it's very scary when you do that. I'm just going to show you what I want you guys to do this week. So you're going to do Math Summit. If you're writing this down, you're going to do Math K Summit Ed, Language Art Skills, ELA Blue, Literature and Comprehension, ELA Blue, and Phonics, ELA Blue. All the other stuff we're not going to worry about right now. This is what we're doing in the afternoon time while you're waiting to meet with me, or after you've met with me, depending on when you're scheduled to see me. So let's click in here. If you've gotten on here before, then it was probably very overwhelming because everything from the whole year was on there, but I took everything off except for what I want you guys to work through. So I'm going to start everybody with numbers through 10. And you just have your child go through the lesson. Here's the menu, reading tools on, so they can read it to your child. Go through the lessons, and they will take a little mastery quiz at the end. It'll move them right along to the next lesson that I put here, which I think are numbers to 20. I can't see it from this view. Same thing for language arts, ELA Blue. We're going to take everybody through the alphabet for one good last go round. And children who do know their alphabet, this is just good practice. And after this lesson will come some more of the phonics and things that everyone needs. In comprehension, you'll read and do some comprehension questions. And this is a good example of when you need to do prep. Get something ready. Then phonics. You'll go through the N and P sounds, and you'll go through the different sounds and different phonics things. Like I go over in class, you'll go through the different phonics items at your child's pace. So if they know it, it shouldn't take long, and they can master it and move on at their own pace. So it's very important that if you have not logged into this yet, that you do, because this is what is required for after I meet with a whole class from now on. You're really going to like this resource. I don't think you'll be disappointed. We will also use Seesaw, but that will just be when I have certain activities that I want you guys to do on Seesaw, and you'll know about them ahead of time. But we're mostly going to be on K12. You have access to all this other stuff too, and you can do it. Like you can do a beginning Spanish class with your child, French. But what's required for me is the Math K Summit, Language Arts ELA Blue, Literature and Comprehension, Phonics ELA Blue. And just go through and do a lesson a day. You're not going to be able to complete this whole unit in a day. Do a lesson a day, and you should have at least 5 lessons completed by Friday. If you have more, that's great, because like I said, it's going to take your child on and on. But let's not frustrate the kiddos. All right, so thank you for listening, and I will see you in the AM.